Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to everyone. See, again I am using this worksheet for revision. Okay, only one chapter is there, unit 4, using a computer. So student, please just keep in your mind the starting computer have 4 steps only. Okay, and the shutdowning 6 steps. Actual 5 is there, 6th one is cover the computer, that is okay, but here is 4 starting computer and shutting down computer have 6. Okay, so here I am giving the extra work, that's why you are thinking this is the 5 steps. So now I will explain with the answer. You must learn the right way of switching on and off computer. Okay, that's why the steps I am giving to you. First is there, fill in the blanks. To start the computer, okay, computer, follow the steps given below. Switch on the main power switch. Switch on the UPS. Switch on the CPU. Switch on the monitor. See, now come to the shutting down a computer. The first step is shutting down means when your work finished, like after you finish doing your work, shut down the computer by following the steps given here. Click the start button icon on the bottom left corner of taskbar. The start menu appear. You can see this book, that menu is there. So after second step, it was first, now second. Click the shutdown button on the lower right corner of the menu. The windows show shutting down message on the screen. When you go start button, you click, the options are there, sleeping, shutdown and 2 modes. So you want for temporary off, you can give the option sleeping. If you want totally off, then you give the shutdown. If you're giving shutdown, that is the good for relaxation to the computer. If you're going sleeping means anytime you can go and just click the main button, the screen will on. Okay, now come to the third step, switch off monitor. 4th step, switch off the UPS. 5th step, switch off the main power switch. 6 steps, you should also put dust cover on the computer. Main thing, do not shut down the computer by disconnecting wire directly or switching off the UPS. This may damage computer. Student, sometime almost it happened in India. It happened in India, lose connection. So that is the main problem to damage the computer. Okay. When you want to open the laptop, any electronic item, that switch box is proper. If it is not, then maybe it damaged to your electronic item like mobile, laptop, iron also. Is the switch box is not, like earthing is coming or something happen, that is not good for the electronic item. Okay, now you come to the fill in the blanks. Okay, switches on and off completed. The first screen that appeared, what? Desktop. Now come, desktop is the first screen that appeared after switching on the computer. Second, fill in the blanks. Icons are the small pictures on the desktop. Third one, start button is the present on the bottom left corner of the screen. I told you, do not shut down the computer by disconnecting wires directly or switching off the UPS. This is the damage the computer. Always sit straight. Always sit straight on the chair in front of the computer system. Do not drink or eat or drink in the computer room. I did not give any option here, so directly you will answer here. The fourth screen that appeared on the starting computer is desktop. Okay, the thin bar at the bottom of desktop is called taskbar. The small picture on the desktop are called icons. You should also put dash on computer. Start button is present on the taskbar. The first screen that appears after switching on the computer is desktop. You should shut down the computer after doing what? Here is the true and false. CPU is the central processing unit? No. You should not put dust cover on the computer? No. Small picture on a desktop are called icon. Yes. Icons like recycle bin, my computer, the small icon. Even you are making one folder, that also icon. CPU is the central process unit. Correct. Answer the following question. Name 3 things that you see on the desktop. What you are seeing when you switch on? Write 3 things like my computer, documents, recycle bin, and whatever you get according to your thinking. Name the screen that appear after switch on the computer. Simply desktop. Name any one icon present on desktop. I just told you now when you open that one or this. So I think you understand. Please revise this again and again. Thank you so much.